What's going on, guys? So today I'm on my way to my parents' house and we're gonna go get a new SUV. I don't have my parents in a lot of my vlogs. Some of you guys have seen the videos of me taking my mom out in my Camaro for a reaction video, which was quite hilarious if you haven't seen that video. But my dad doesn't really make vlogs too much. I've done some projects with him here and there. But today, they're both gonna be in the video and we're gonna go pick up a new SUV. Now, my parents are the type of people that they never had a lot of money. They spent within their means. In fact, they spent usually way below their means, which means they didn't spend a lot of money. My mom was always clipping coupons. My dad worked in the same steel mill that I now work in for 47.5 years, and they ran a photography business from their house that they ran for 30 years. And they did weddings, they did family portraits and things like that, senior photos, and they were always working. My mom stayed at home and took care of me when I was a kid, but she also helped out with the photography business, and she did all the paperwork and did all the appointments and met with all the clients. I guess the point that I'm getting at right now is they never really treated themselves to anything extravagant. You know, they always were very conservative with their purchases. So today, they're gonna go buy a new SUV. You wanna sit up front?
Dad can sit up front because my legs are short.
Okay, here. I had that because my lunchbox.
My legs are so much shorter than yours. Why would you sit back here? Yeah, even my tiny little legs are pressed against the back.
What do you want to go up?
Up, yeah.
It's just a little lever down there you pull up.
Oh, here it is. Is that better?
There you go.
Oh, they're not push button and they
No, surprisingly, I did not buy the one with the most features.
The new SUV we're getting today has everything. Woo! Everything. When my backup camera's on,
yeah,
somebody walks behind me, my butt vibrates. Seat vibrates.
What?
It does. The seat vibrates.
So you're saying you get a massage every time?
You get a massage every time. Yeah, every time like there's people that when you're backing out of a parking space in a parking lot, and then stupid people like walk right behind your car.
Yeah.
Yeah, stupid people.
We'll get a little massage, so that will temper down my anger at people walking behind a backing up car. Trust me, after having driven a car for 10 years, I was so excited over all the new stuff.
So I was telling everybody that you guys normally don't buy anything extravagant and you spend like below your means, meaning
yes,
like
we do.
We get what we need and that's it. The basics.
Trust me, Nick, we were raised in a generation where, you know, I can still remember my father sitting at the kitchen table repairing our toaster. You know, now it's like, oh, it broke. You throw it out and you buy a new one.
Cheap nowadays.
But my father probably repaired our toaster 3 times.
Let's face it, back years ago, they didn't have all these safety features. You know, they had more metal, big bumpers and all that other stuff, you know, that. So, yeah, your car could take a beating. Nowadays, I mean, it's great to have all these safety features. That's why we went to the upper class vehicle.
Well, this is probably the most expensive vehicle you bought, right?
Oh, yeah, there's no doubt.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, we were like sort of sticker shock after keeping our Santa for 10 years and started shopping around.
So we're not going to tell anybody what it is. We're on the way to the dealership right now. You guys are going to find out what it is when we get there. Alright, so we just arrived at the dealership and you guys may have guessed it. That's right. Oh, you can't really see it, but it is the Chevy dealership. They are getting a Chevy, so that's good. But we're gonna find out what they're getting. And before we go in, I'm going to give you guys this.
Thanks, Nick.
They told me what they were gonna be paying per month, so I decided to just kind of help them out. Because you guys never get anything like special.
Nick,
that's why I decided to do that.
Thank you, but this is not necessary. You didn't have to do this. Oh, Nick, this is very nice. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, let's go get the car.
Let's go.
Your old car's here too. We have to show them that first.
Oh, my poor old 10-year-old car.
Or we'll show them that. So they already got your old car across the street in the used lot. And we're gonna go check it out here. This is a 2007, right?
Yep.
2007. and I loved Saturn. I was so upset when they stopped making Saturns. We had 2. You have 1.
Yep. Well, now Lauren has it.
Now Lauren has it.
This is their old car. And this will be the first time you get an SUV, right?
Yes.
You've always had a car.
I always had a car. Dad has an SUV, but it's
Oh, no, it's
is it?
open.
It's open. Yeah, my poor old, oh look, it still has the
Did you get everything out of it?
Yeah, we got it.
Oh, except for that. Okay.
except for this.
I know the SUV you're getting, and it's definitely an upgrade.
Yeah, it's
For
definitely
sure.
an upgrade. I was so excited when I got this car that it had heated seats. That was like so exciting to have heated seats.
Well, apparently this one's got cooled seats now,
It's
right?
cooled
Well, there you
seats,
go.
too.
And probably a heated steering wheel and all that.
Heated steering wheel.
Yeah, 2018 model.
Yes. I really wanted
11
the
years
backup
newer.
Camera. Yeah.
Oh yeah, backup camera.
was
Hey,
the biggest thing.
this thing doesn't even have Bluetooth.
No.
It's just, that's it. That's the
has
old
a
style.
CD player, 6-track CD player.
Hey, that's all right. My new truck has a CD player.
It does.
Yeah. Yep. 2017's got a CD player.
I ask about that because I still want to play your band CDs. So I gotta get the music down. I don't know. You're gonna have to help me with all that.
We'll figure it out.
Okay.
Good morning.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
It's our son, Nick. This is William Evans.
Nice to meet you. So while we're waiting for the car and all the paperwork to get sorted out, I think I found my dad's next car. I actually like the red line around the wheel. And obviously the red brakes. The red and black look is good. It's a perfect color.
No, he needs to hold out for that
All I gotta do
69
is come up with-
Camaro.
Look, he's even wearing a red jacket.
All I got to do is come up with $98,000.
So when's the last time you signed for a new car?
10 years
10
ago.
years ago.
10 years ago.
Hold on, how old's your SUV?
You're seven.
2009.
I was just saying, are you done signing paperwork yet?
Not
The
yet.
suspense is killing everybody. Actually, the SUV is directly behind me. They just pulled it in. All right, so you ready? So you're going from a car that didn't even have Bluetooth to a car that now has Wi-Fi.
My car had nothing. I was excited that my car had heated seats. I thought that was amazing.
So we're gonna reveal it. Mom's brand new SUV, 2018.
Spanking new.
That's right. 2018 Chevy Equinox Premier all-wheel drive. Look at this thing. This is the top of the line Equinox that you can buy. All-wheel drive. It's the Premier edition, so it has all this chrome all over it. Even look at the door handles right here.
I love that.
Yeah, she likes
That's
it. 19-inch wheels. You have the fob on you, right?
Yes.
Here, we'll open up the door. So I'm gonna have to teach you how to open the door now, since you got a key fob. It's just like my Camaro. You got it on your hand or in your
It's in my purse.
All right, all you do is press that button, you'll hear it unlock. Now you open the door.
Cool.
Yeah, so you don't even have to take the fob out of your purse. You know, you
that's
just keep
so
it in there.
weird. That's going to be the hardest thing.
So-
Isn't that interior nice?
Yeah, it looks like you got, all leather. This thing is nice. And you got this big sunroof. Look at that.
I know,
That's a
it's a
huge sunroof.
panoramic
It goes all the way to the
sunroof.
back. That's really cool. So obviously this thing's fully optioned, and it also has the Bose sound system. So my mom will be rocking out. Heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats, and it has this lane assist that you can turn on and off on the fly to keep you in the lane when you're driving, just in case mom decides to doze off when she's driving. Pretty big storage compartment there. Pretty big screen here too, which is nice. Yeah, my mom will love this new SUV, as opposed to her 10-year-old sedan that she drove around a lot. It's got all new features, obviously. It's up to date on all the new technology, and probably a lot more than she's even used to. So I'll probably have to be teaching her a lot, but that's okay. Alrighty, so mom's driving it out of the showroom floor. New car. There she goes, right off the showroom floor. There you go. First drive. How many miles are on it?
Like 70.
70. Oh, okay. Alrighty.
So it was probably.
So you drove about 1/50th of a mile.
I drove it.
How do you feel?
Drove it yesterday.
You're gonna have to get used to all this new technology.
I'm telling you, it's like baffling.
Yeah, play around with it for a day or two, and if you say, well, I gotta go back over this, just give me a call and we'll go back over it. It's no problem.
Oh, no, wait.
Open the
Okay, now I have
sunroof
to
up.
remember how to do that. Okay, I do.
Oh, and then it has a second one that goes, right?
Well, no, that's stationary.
But that's
That's the
stationary, but you
stationary
still have that open.
I
That's
still
wow.
have that
That's
open,
a
yeah.
really big sunroof. Look at that.
I never had a sunroof in a car ever.
You never had one in a car?
Never had a sunroof in
Well, what do you know? Now you do.
You know, when they first came out, people talked about them leaking, so we were like, I don't need a sunroof. But this is
That's pretty cool.
It's very open.
I like how it goes all the way to the back. I was telling everybody the same thing. Yeah, now you got a big window up there.
I know, it's cool. I can't believe how much bigger it makes it feel inside.
Well, yeah, it
when
makes
that's
a lot
open.
of light in too.
Yeah,
Nice.
very nice.
All right, let's get it home before it starts raining.
Yeah, it's already getting cloudy. It was sunny.
Put it in the garage before
Yeah, I
it
wouldn't want it to
rains
get rained on. Yeah, nice to meet you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
on
All right, yeah, I guess I'll ride along for a little bit here.
Gary, we'll meet you out
Okay, I'll
front.
be on the other side.
I want to show you the backup camera. Okay, so
Yeah.
there's my backup camera, okay?
Yep.
But then here's like this bird's eye view of the car. So like if I pull out here to the front, it will show
Wow,
me.
what?
How the heck does it do that? Like how is it doing that?
How is it? I don't even know.
I'm
It's
gonna
showing your car, but I mean, it's not your car though. It's silver, but it's so that's not actually an aerial view. It's just
It's
it
not,
makes it
but
seem like one. There's sensors around the entire
There's
car that can
sensors,
sense all
yeah.
that stuff.
I couldn't figure out how it's
Yeah,
showing
that's
that, but
pretty
you're
cool.
right. That's not my car. That's just a representation
Yeah,
of my
just
car.
That's really
But
cool
it
though.
shows me how close I am to the curb.
Yeah, that's really cool. Wow.
You know, I mean, yes, that does too, but still. you know.
So basically, there's no way you can scrape your wheels or even
Shouldn't
wreck
scrape
the
your
car
wheels.
or damage it. You shouldn't be able to. You shouldn't run into anybody, basically.
I shouldn't. All those people that, as I'm backing out of a parking space, decide to walk behind my car, you know, like they have a death wish or something, then I'll be able to sense that.
I'll be over sometime this week and teach you about all the new
Oh, please.
technology features on the car.
I know.
You're gonna like it. It's not that hard, and it's not that much stuff either. So
I'm going to be sitting tonight on the couch in my pajamas reading the manual.
yeah,
Or I'll be sitting in the garage inside the car
Yeah.
reading the manual.
yeah. Either way. All right.
All right.
All right. We'll see you.
It's fun.
Congrats on the new
Thank
vehicle.
you, and thank you for your assistance on it. You didn't have to do that.
Oh, it's, you know, like I said, it's the least I could do. You guys bought me my first car, you know, that I had when I was a teenager.
We did.
Even though I can't, you know, I can't really give you the same right now. Maybe in the future I'll be able to do that and pay
Parents
that
do
back
that
to
for
you.
kids. Kids don't do it back to
Yeah,
you.
well.
That's what parents are for. You'll do for your kids just like we tried to do for you as best we could.
This is true.
But you deserve that new car, Nick, because you didn't give us one bit of trouble as a teenager.
Well, you got that.
And we're very proud of what you've done.
And
so.
you got a new car too.
And we got a new car! And we're going to Florida in it.
Oh, there you go.
Woohoo!
First road trip in the new
First
Equinox.
road trip to Florida.
Alrighty, well, I gotta go to work.
All right.
So,
Be safe.
you guys are retired, so you can go home and enjoy the
That's
car.
right.
Alright, see ya.
See ya.
So congrats again to my mom and my dad for getting the new vehicle. You know, you guys have to understand that my mom came from a car that was already 10 years old, and she's not used to any of the new technology and the new features in some of these cars. So this is pretty special to her, and they definitely both deserve it. Another Chevy added to the Guitarmageddon ZL1 family fleet. A lot of you guys thought it was going to be a 69 Camaro because I have said about that in prior videos about getting one, about possibly doing a project car, and I can tell you guys that's still gonna happen. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen soon. I'm not gonna sure if it's gonna happen later, but it definitely is going to happen, and that is one of my dream cars and one of my dream builds that I plan on doing. So you guys can definitely expect that. A lot of my time and money has been recently spent on the Freedom Rocket, getting that back together and built up and back on the road for you guys. It's definitely gonna be a beast when it's done, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Ignore the Christmas tree right there. I love Christmas so much that I just haven't come to terms with the fact that it's now the second week in January. I also want to give a couple shout outs here at the end. Special thanks to Mike Davenport, Louisville Chevy dude. He posted a video yesterday, and it shows the difference between a Equinox and a Traverse. So it's pretty cool to see what my mom got versus like a Traverse, which is the bigger SUV model. So if you guys are interested in getting something like my mom got, go check his video out and hit him up because he's got a lot of good info on these cars and he sells them daily. So go check him out. Also, I want to give another big shout out to Sean Being Sean on Instagram. He also has a YouTube channel and he created a little 717 rewind video of 2017 and everything that our crew has done over the past year. It's really cool, so I encourage you guys to check it out. He reached out to me a few weeks ago about being in the video, and I said, yeah, sure, man. So he came over and interviewed me and everything like that. So again, be sure to check that video out. I'll have it linked right above. Anyways, thank you guys again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. You can find my website, my online store, and my P.O. Box info in the description below. As always, be sure to hit that subscribe button and have a great day.